The PR-511, I'm calling it the Power Cloud Plus from Golden Technologies. Has a lot of cool accessories. You're just going to cut those straps and you're going to remove the top. Now this is our first time unboxing this chair. We just got it in. You're just going to pull this box right off. Now this is not a light chair, it's a 4-motor system, so we'll have the power lumbar, the power headrest, and all that. And you would have to put the back on. So the back will be off, but it just clips right on. So. This is in Coffee Bean Brisa, and this is the medium size. There's 3 sizes with this chair. Small, medium, and large. Very similar, I think, to the Regal that we have. But let's see the difference. We wanted to see it. We like to get new chairs in so we can learn about it and show you how it works. Show you how to unbox it. So there you go. This is the motors. This is why. Oh, that's an improvement. I like this. This is your lumbar, and this is your power pillow motor, and you're going to see the connections for it. Everything's plug and play. When you get these, they're going to be overstuffed. So if it's a brand new chair, right? So if you feel like it's too much stuffing, if you want, you can unzip this right here and remove some of this stuffing. Now eventually, you know, it'll pattern down just like anything. So later on in a couple years, if you want to add stuffing to it, then that's how you can add stuffing to it. So here's your back. It's not light. Let me just put this to the side for now. Brisa is the top of the line fabric. I really like it. It's a man-made material. People are always saying, well, does it get too cold? Does it break up? It's not vinyl. It's going to stay at a room temperature, and it comes with a lifetime warranty from cracking and blemishes. So that's really cool when someone can say that. Before I put this together, let me just show you all this. Look at all these storage compartments you have. So like, say if you're in this chair all day and you're living here, you have access to compartments. You have access to, you know, you have a cup holder, you have a wireless charging port. You can put this hand control back into here, close these up if you're sleeping in it. This is our best seat that they have. It's in the Cloud series also, so it's very, very comfortable. But there's a lot of cool stuff. We're going to go over these accessories. So depending on what accessories you pick, it's going to ship like this. But let's keep continuing on the unboxing, and then we're going to show you different things about it. So obviously you're going to want to get it off this box, right? But let's just start with this. This right here is a lithium battery backup. So when it comes in like this, just take it out. Keep that, put that in your pockets or whatever. You're going to take this, and you don't just slide it like this. See how it blocks it? There's like, you got to kind of come in, make sure this is to this way, come here, and then bring it here. What I suggest, I know it's kind of hard to do when you first get something, is to take this and plug it into the wall and let this charge up. If you could overnight, or as long as you can, because that's better for the battery for the long term. But if the power goes out, this thing's going to operate a bunch. And it's always being charged when the chair's not moving. So that's a cool feature. Take these off. And you're going to come back here, and you're going to see a bunch of wire, or you're going to see a little box. Check this little box out. That's your back's going to plug into that. This is a control board. You have a control board down here. You can make sure all these cords are pressed in. And then you're going to also come over here, and you're going to loosen this reusable zip tie. Whoever thought of this, good for them. take that right off, and this is going to run up underneath this, not above it now, underneath it, because this thing goes up. And then here's your power supply we spoke about. So you'll just connect this right into here, like so, clip, plug into the wall. So it's a 4-motor chair. So what that means is it's got a motor that allows you to adjust the back. So you can bring this thing, I would consider this a sleep chair because the seat that they put on this, you can bring this back to right here. You can adjust it. The other motor is going to bring this box up and down. So if you do want your feet above the heart, this chair allows Trentelenberg, where this would be a feet above the heart. You have 0 gravity, so you have 4 buttons for pre-programmed 0 gravity. You have TV watching, pre-programmed TV watching, and let's say that you don't like the TV watching position like they have it right here. I wouldn't like this maybe. I'll adjust this down, press the memory button, let it flash, and then hit the TV, and now that's programmed back. This 2 top buttons is full control. So if I'm in a sleep and I want to get up, just press the up button. This will also recline it to a standing position. This will also recline it back. To make the 3rd motor would probably be your power pillow. See this power pillow button? See how you can move this power pillow? You have an option of changing that, and then you have your lumbar. So your lumbar is pushing my back out, and you can suck it back in. So 4 motors, they all do something different. It's a Maxi Comfort Technology chair, American made. That's your remote. Now let me go to home. Home would be like a sit position. Now you can change home again, pre-programmed to a different position you might like. And I'm going to talk about these storage compartments. A lot of storage compartments. Right here, you have a wireless charging port, and this is their new power supply. So for example, there's different accessories. There's one, this can be stored or put right there. It can be moved around. You can adjust it down and up, and it's touch. See the light turning on? And you have a
touch on the plastic, just touch it right there.
Yep.
Yeah, anywhere along there.
You can touch it 1 time, you can touch it 2, so you have 2 different settings off. So a dim, a bright, and an off. If you're done with that, if you're reading at night, reading your Bible or whatever you're reading, there's your light for that. You can put that right in your storage compartment. You also have a USB charging port right here if your phone's not capable of charging with the wireless charging port. Fold this back over. Now we're going to walk over to here. Right here is a cup holder. They've changed the cup holder so we can put a coffee mug in there. I gave the coffee mug to Tom because he drinks coffee all the time, but you could put a coffee mug right there. Right here is your infrared heat. So this is a full body heat, back, seat, foot. You have 30-minute timer, 60-minute timer. You have low and high heat. So this will cut off after 30 minutes, it'll cut off after 60 minutes. You don't want it in the foot, just turn it off. Don't want it in the seat, turn it off. You want it just in the back, turn it off. Turn them all on, hit all. So that's cool, turn it off, press the power. Now, this is heat wave. It's standard. It's going to come with this unit. The cup holder right here, wireless charge port comes with it. If some reason you want the heat and vibration, that is an upcharge with this unit and might take a little while to get. But if you don't need the vibration, this is going to come standard. You don't need to spend any more money with it. The vibrations just, I don't sell them too much. This is pretty nice. I like this a lot. That can just be set right there. There's a little compartment for it. Now, also in this compartment, it's a lot of room. Look how much room you have. I'm gonna get to that. You can put a book there. You can put your medicine in there. You can put whatever in there. That's a pretty decent large compartment for certain stuff. So another cool thing that comes standard with this chair is a tray. And I like what they did. They put a hole in the side of this. The reason for that, obviously you saw that I just stuck it right in there. It's right there. The Regal's tray goes into that little thing, but this goes right here. And this isn't a very large tray, but it's big enough to put like a popcorn bowl, a little snack, sandwich, a little plate, whatever you need. And when you're not using it, you just put it right up. It goes right there. You can have your cup holder, your drink right here. You can have your sandwich and stuff right here. So standard, heat, standard, wireless charging port, standard. This remote is standard. Accessory you can buy, light. And they didn't send me all the other stuff because they just launched this. But I want to tell you the different things you can, and we're going to shoot a video once they come in of the different accessories added to the Cloud Plus. Is going to be a popcorn tray or a popcorn holder. I don't know if you really need that. You can use a regular bowl. But something cool is a cooling fan, a Bluetooth speaker, and an oil diffuser, and a wine glass holder. So the wine glass holder, I would imagine, would go into here to hold a certain wine glass. So they've kind of hit everything to make this an everyday living chair for people. The oil diffuser is pretty cool. I know that my wife just bought an oil diffuser for scents that are burning candles, so she really likes it. So you can have that. And I would imagine this is a power hookup to operate the speaker and the oil diffuser, and you can get a tablet holder also. So there's some accessories that you can order with this. And again, it's a recliner, but it also has the lifting capability where you can come up to get out. You can stop this wherever you like. Let's say this is good for me, and I'm out moving around. The Cloud is one of our famous chairs. They changed the back to have that different look. Before it had that biscuit back look, but they did add a power pillow and the lumbar to it.